Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on GU. Let me do a quick recap on GU, guys. I think we analyzed GU the last time I did. I think GU was around this year right here, and I said I was expecting GU to at least push up to my 78.6% fib level and give me my first profits, my first take profit, which is my negative 27% fib level, and that is 1.21651. And you can see that GU played out exactly the way I thought it to play. Rejected off of my 78.6% fib level and zoom up to the upside right there. I'll be honest, I didn't take GU up to that level. I just took my profit. I'm not greedy when it comes to my profit, and let's see what that possible made for us. From here to my profit was 44 pips, which was enough for me. I'm not greedy. So now, and it played out really well, right? We even hit my second TP level, which is around this year right here, which was beautiful. So now what next? I'm gonna delete this previous analysis and analyze based on the current price market. What am I seeing right now? I'm going to go to a bigger time frame just to look at the overall picture of GU. We can see that we are still, I can still say we can still push up. Let me a little bit. So let's see. I'll delete this box right here because it's not useful for me anymore. So now I want to extend this trend line right here. So I see a possibility of it at least coming up to this trend line right here. So I still think we might continue to push to the upside a little bit more. So it's possible giving us like an impulsive, a correction, and a sort of a continuation to at least touch that trend line before we now know our next move. So that is what I am seeing on GU. So I'm going to use my fib right here for 0.8 to be right around here just to see what we might see. Let's go to a smaller time frame just to see. We can see that I am seeing this imbalance right around this area right here. We can see an imbalance here, which is my negative my 78.6% fib level right here. Let's see, 4 hours imbalance. Does the 4 hours shows it as well? Perfect. So now we can see that there is this imbalance break of structure and an imbalance around my 78.6% fib level right here, which is beautiful. So there is a possibility that we might come down to here before we now continue to push to the upside. So as long as we are still above this zone right here, I'm going to buy. So if I see below the zone, I will sell. Above the zone, I will buy. Right there. So now my bias as of now on GU is buy. So that is what I'm expecting on GU as of right now. But like I used to say, and like that you don't predict the market, you react to the market. Whatever the market does, that is how you react to it. So that is how we have to be open-minded, even despite the fact that we have our own bias. We just still have to be open-minded. So now let's see what GU is doing right now. We can see this breakout zone right here pushes up and now is retracing. I can see that if I use a trend line here, we can see this break of trend line right around here. Let me go to a smaller time frame, zoom out a little bit. So we can see that right around this trend line right here, there is this break of trend line. So I see a possibility of it pushing up a little bit, giving me a complete trend. So around this area right here. So I'm going to draw a minor fib right here from here to here. From here to here. Just for us to see that it might still play in different ways. Let me change let's say change the color of that. 1 hour time frame, RG, something like this. Okay, so now let's see how that plays out. So now there is different scenarios right now. One, we might push up a little bit to retest the trend line, which is around my 61.8% fib level. So there is something called a minor structure and a major structure right around this area right here. I'm going to do a quick review, review. So right here, this impulse here to this right here to this right here, right? So this overall, let's see, overall, let's see, oh wait. So like I said, there's this impulse, a sort of a correction, then a push to the upside right here. This overall chart right here is called a major direction. That is called a major direction. You see this correction right here, this retracement right here is called a minor direction, which means we can see a direction inside a direction, right? I hope that is not confusing. So this is why I said that if I zoom in, this right here is the minor direction for the major move. I hope I'm not confusing you guys. So now I might see a bit of like a push to this upside right here to give me a possible trend, because I still see it having a momentum for sell right now, even despite the fact that my bias overall is a buy until otherwise happen. You can see this trend line was broken with this engulfing candle, so I'm expecting like a complete direction, which means an impulse, a correction, and a continuation to my target, which is 78.6% fib level, before we now zoom up to my overall direction. So that is what I am seeing on JU. So I'm just gonna do a quick what I think we might push up to maybe around this area right here, give me a sort of a continuation to right here right now. So now my first target on that will be here, which is right here, and I think we're still gonna push down to this imbalance right here, which is a little bit closer to my negative 27% fib level right here, before we now zoom to the upside, right? That is what I'm saying. But like I said, the market changes, even despite the fact that we are seeing something like this, the market changes. It might probably not get to this trend line, but my bias, like I said, is more of it coming to at least this trend line right here. But before I can continue to actually sell on long run, if it's going to go on the sell, I want it to at least come down here to break this zone right here. I'm going to do a zone here. Let's see. So for us to sell, to continue to sell on a bigger time frame, right, I want it to at least push down here, close trend, give me something like this. Then now I know the bias has changed, but I don't like predicting to the future. Let's take one step at a time. If the price action changes, then I will reanalyze based on that current price action, because I know that my bias cannot always be the same. We have to react to the market, not predict the market. So that is my thoughts on GU, guys. Hope you find this helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.